What's good, everybody? It's your boy Money. We are back with it. Another day, another review. Let's get it. DQ has dropped its new summer blizzard treat menu. They aren't wasting any time, man. So y'all know I had to pull up and get these new blizzards. They brought back the animal cookie, the brownie batter, and the cotton candy, but that's not why we pulled up today. They've dropped 3 new flavors this year. This right here is the new peanut butter cookie dough party. Man, look at that. It has chocolate chip cookie dough pieces in it. It's topped with peanut butter, and it has rainbow confetti crunch inside. This is your picnic peach cobbler. And yes, it has real peaches inside and cobbler pieces as well. And lastly, we have the ultimate cookie. Oreos, Chips Ahoy, Nutter Butters inside. Hey, yo. It speaks for itself. I cannot wait to try these 3 new blizzards. So without further ado, y'all know how I like to do it, man. No more talking. Delicious, man. Hey, that peanut butter cookie dough party. Oh, it's a party, all right. Yo, the chocolate chip cookie dough inside. Yum, yum. 7.5 for sure. This is a very tasty blizzard. That picnic peach cobbler, man, is hitting. And what I love most about it, like I said earlier, the peaches are real, man. Oh my goodness. Those cobbler pieces give it that extra sweet taste, just what it needs. You cannot go wrong with this. If you love peaches, peach cobbler, come get it. The peach cobbler is a 7 out of 10 for sure. The ultimate cookie, man, hey, it took it. It took it. 9 out of 10. It took the gold, man. Ooh wee. Now that, hey, the blizzard speaks for itself for sure for this one. Chips Ahoy, Nutty Butters, Oreos. Yo, hey, man. Y'all make sure to come pull up and give these new DQ flavors a try. Summer menu is out for sure. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed one.